Good morning, all of you. In this COVID-19 situation, the schools are closed. So, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has started the online education for all children. First of all, I would like to give my introduction in a very short. Myself, Mr. Bharat Bandal from Mahim Mori Road Municipal Upper Primary English School, Ward G North. I would like to say thank you to my administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam, Nodal Beat Officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade Sir, Nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpa Paul Madam, Assistant Nodal HM, Mrs. Manpriti Kaur Anand Madam, and my CNO, Mr. Ratilal Kisan Brungule Sir. Now, before starting the lesson, anyone can tell me what is written here? Who will read this number?
Numbers 38,696.
38,696
Yes, 38,696. And what is the sign is given here?
plus
Plus 38,696 plus, read this number.
24,546.
546.
Yes, very good. Means here two numbers are given and sign is given plus. Means what you have to do here? Plus means what? We have to,
Add.
Add
yes, very good. We have to add. But the numbers are given horizontally. So what you have to do? You have to arrange first vertically and then you have to add. Now while arrange the numbers in vertically way, you have to see that how many digits are here. In the first number, how many digits are here?
5.
5 digits. And in the second number also
5.
5.
5 digits. Means both number has a 5 digit. In the previous lecture also we have learned that if the both numbers has the same digit, that time you have to draw the columns as per the digit. Here also 5 digit, here also 5 digit. Means we have to draw how many columns?
5.
5 columns. 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, and
5.
5. 5 columns. Okay. After drawing the columns, what you have to do? You have to write down the place. You have to write down place. Now tell me the first place. Which is the first place?
Units.
Yes, U means unit. T means
Tens.
Tens.
after that
Hundreds.
hundreds. And then
1000s.
1,000, not 1000. And after that
10,000.
10,000.
1000.
Okay. After writing the place, then you have to leave the one line for, you have to leave the
Or
one row
carryover number.
carry over. Okay. Then what you have to do? You have to write the first number in the column. While writing the first number, you have to start from unit place. Which digit is on unit place?
6.
6. Then
9.
9.
6.
Then again
Six.
6. Then
8.
8.
8 and
3.
3.
okay, understood.
Yes.
After
Yes.
writing the first number, you have to write sign. Which sign is here?
Plus
Plus.
sign.
Plus. So you have to write plus. Okay. Then write down the same process is here. In second number, here also you have to write first unit place digit. Here also 6. Then 4.
4. Then 5. Then 4.
Yes. And then
2.
2.
2. Okay. Understood how to arrange the numbers vertically?
Yes.
Yes. When you arrange the vertically, that time you will get like this number. Okay. Now, while solving the equation, here also you have to start from which place?
Unit.
Units.
Yes. And where is the unit place? Here. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000.
10,000.
So where is the unit? Here. So you have to start from this digit. Okay.
Yes.
Which digits are there? 6 plus
6.
6 plus 6.
6 plus 6.
6.
6 plus 6 is equal to
12.
yes,
12.
12. But here, when we get the answer in 2 digit, that time you have to write the unit place digit here down, and one is
Is
Carried
tens.
over.
yes, one is carry. Now come to the tens place. Now here which digits are given? 9 and 4. Means 9
4.
plus 4. 9 plus 4 is equal to
Thir-
9 plus 4 is equal to
13.
13. 13 plus 1, you have to add carry over also. So 13 plus 1 is equal to
14.
40. So from 14 you have to write 4 down and 1
And
Carry over.
carry over. After that come to the 100 place. Which digits are given?
6,
6
6
and 5.
and 5.
85.
6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Okay. And 11 plus 1 carry over
12.
12.
So here down, which digit we have to write?
2.
2. 1 in
2
100.
and
Carry
1
over.
carry. Okay. After that, come to the 1000 place. Here, 4 and 8 are given. Okay. 8 and 4 are given. So here also same we have to do. 8 plus 4 is equal to
12.
12.
12. 12 plus 1
one
carry over
carry
is
over.
equal to 13.
13.
So from 13, you have to write 3 down and 1
1
Carried
carry
over.
carry. After that, come to the 10,000 place. Here 3 and 2 given. Okay. So 3 plus 2 is equal to
5.
5.
5.
And 1 carry
1
over 6.
carry over is equal to
6.
6. So we will get the answer now. Okay. Means 38,696 plus 24,546 is equal to
63,242.
63,242.
yes, very good. 63,242.
2.
So now in this equation, we have seen that the numbers are given. Okay, only the numbers are given and symbol is given. So with the help of this symbol, we come to know that you have to add these two numbers. Okay. Now,
Yes.
now tell me what you see in this picture.
Classroom.
Yes,
Classroom.
very good, very good.
And students are raising their
Yes.
hand.
Yes, classroom. The picture of classroom is given. So now, suppose in the mathematics, the numbers also given and sentence also given. Okay. Suppose in this situation, you have to given the information, and the information is that the boys, the number of boys and the number of girls. Okay. The number of boys and number of girls are given.
Girls.
Suppose 35 boys are in the class and 32 girls are in the class. And the question is that what is the total number of students? What is the total number of
Students.
yes, what is the total number of students? This is the question. Okay.
Yes.
So in your class, suppose the boys are 35 and girls are 32, and the question is that what is the total number of students? To find to find out the total number of students, what we have to do? Which method you have to use?
Addition.
Addition.
Yes, very good. Here we have to use the method of addition. Then when we add the boys and girl all together, that time we will get the answer total number of students. Okay,
Yes.
means when we add the boys and girls, that time we will get the answer. Means what is asked? What is asked? Okay, total number of students.
Yes.
We have to find the total number of students. Then what you have to do? We have to add 35 plus 32. Here also you have to follow the same rule. Which rules we have used in the addition? Here also same rules. 5 plus 2 is equal to
7.
7.
3 plus 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to
6.
6.
Oh, three.
This is the answer, the total number of students. Okay.
Yes.
In this example, you can see that the number of boys and number of girls are given separately. And the question was the total number of students. We have to find the total number of students. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
So
Yes.
in the mathematical, we can say that the word problem, because the information is given in word or sentences. The total number of boys are 35 and the total number of girls are 32. Then find out the total number of students. Okay, here numbers also given and the sentences also given. So this type of equation is called as word problem. Okay, means word problem means what? We will read this.
A word
A
problem
word problem is a few sentences
describing
describing
real
a
life
real
scenario
scenario
where a
where a
problem
problem
needs to be
needs to
solved
be solved
by way
way
of
of
mathematical
mathematical calculation.
calculation.
Means understood what we have to do in the word problem. In the word problem, the information is given in sentences also and the numbers also. But from that sentences, we have to make a mathematical calculation, or we have to make a equation, and that after that we have to solve it. Okay. Now we are going to learn in deeply how to solve the word problem and how to given the word problem. Okay, which type of word problems are given in your textbook. So in the first example, the Ajay bought a book worth rupees 245. Ajay is the name of boy. Okay, and he bought a book worth of rupees 245 and the notebooks worth rupees 178.
8.
Then the question is start from here. How much did he spend altogether? So while solving the any word problem in a mathematics, you have to follow these three things. You have to follow these three things. First thing is given. What information is given? In this sentence, what information is given?
Books worth and notebooks worth.
Books worth and notebook
Word.
worth. This information is given. So books worth is given how many?
245.
Much
245.
45. And notebooks?
178.
178.
Yes, notebook
78.
178. This information is given. Okay. After that, what is asked? What is asked in this problem?
How much did he spend altogether?
Yes, yes. Main question is here. How much did he spend altogether? How much spent? Okay. Means you can write total spent. Total amount spent. Total amount spent by Ajay. Okay. After that, the last one is what method should be used to find out the how much did he spend altogether? Which method we have to follow?
Addition.
Addition.
Yes, very good. We have to follow the method addition.
Addition.
Okay, understood?
Yes.
Now, what we have to add? We have to add the worth of books and worth of notebook. What is the worth of book?
Worth of 245.
245.
And 45.
5.
And worth of notebook?
178.
178.
178. And which
78.
method we have to follow? We have to use
Addition.
Addition.
give the addition symbol. Then do the addition. 5 plus 8 is equal to
13.
13. So you have to write 3 here and 1
13.
Carryover.
And 1
After
carryover.
7 is equal to 11. And 11 plus 1 carryover
12.
12.
So you have to write 2 here, 1
Carryover.
2 plus 1 3 and 1
And
plus 1
carryover in 4.
2 plus 1 3 3 plus 1 carryover
4.
4. Means how much did he spend altogether?
423.
Yes, very good. This is the answer. Total amount spent. You can write the answer like this. Total amount spent by Ajay
Is
is equal to 420.
23.
This is the answer. Understood how to solve the word problem?
Yes.
While
Yes.
solving the word problem, every time you have to follow the same things or same rules. First of all, you have to see that what information is given. Okay. After that, what is asked here? Where is the question and what is the ask? And after that, what method should be used? Okay. Next.
Okay.
Okay. The next question is next word problem is if the government gave rupees 62,950 worth of
50.
computers and rupees
26,578 worth
worth
of
of
TV
TV
set.
sets. Okay. To the school. To the school. And you can see here comma is given. Okay.
Yes.
Then what is the
What is the
total
total
amount
amount
is spent on this equipment?
Equipment.
Now here also we have to follow the same thing. What is given? First of all, which is the first point? What is given? What is given?
Worth of
62,000
computers.
Yes, computer worth. Okay. Otherwise, you can say that worth of
computer.
Computers.
computers. Worth of
And-
computers. Okay. Is equal to 62,950.
950.
Very good. And next thing,
Worth of
26
TV. Worth of
Yeah.
of
TV.
TV.
worth of
TV.
TV
Sets.
set. What is the worth of TV set?
26,578.
578. Very good. Which method we have to use?
Addition.
Addition.
Yeah, addition. Because in the question you can see that the question is start from here. What is the total amount it spent on this equipment? Total amount. Which answer we will get? That is the total amount spent. Total amount spent. This is your answer. Okay. So here what you have to do, you have to add 0 plus 8,
8.
8.
8.
5 plus 7,
12.
12.
12. So we have to write 2 here, 1 carry over. After that 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5,
14. And 1 carry
14.
over
14 plus
15.
1 carry over,
15.
Write down 5 here and 1 carry over. So that 2 plus 6,
8.
8.
8. 8 plus 1,
And 1 carry over
No.
9.
9. And here 6 plus 2,
8.
8. So what is the total amount spent on this equipment?
69,500.
8 is there.
89,528.
Yes, very good. This is the answer. Okay. Total amount spent on equipment is equal to 89,528.
8.
Okay. Understood how to solve the word problem?
Yes.
Okay. But sometimes the different types of problems also given. Here you can see that here is a no numbers in this problem. The numbers are not given. The problem is that what will be the sum? What will be the sum? Sum means what? Sum means
Addition.
addition. Remember this one thing. Huh? What will be the sum of the smallest here? Smallest and the largest 6-digit number. Means the numbers are not given, the digits are not given, but the word is given. Smallest and largest. How many digits?
6 digit.
6
digit.
digit.
What will be the sum? Here, this word is very important. Huh? Sum. What will be the sum? Means what is the addition of smallest and largest 6-digit.
6-digit number.
Now, what we have to do first of all? What is given? What is given? Smallest 6-digit
Smallest
number and
6-digit number
largest.
and largest 6-digit number.
Yes, very good. Smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number.
Number.
Now, who can tell me the smallest 6-digit number? Smallest 6-digit number, who can tell me how to find out smallest? Now tell me the smallest 2-digit number.
26,528.
Smallest. Now tell me the smallest 2-digit number. From the all numbers, we have to find out the smallest 2-digit. 10. Understood? Smallest 2-digit number. Because the 2-digit numbers start from here. Before that, 9 is here. Means 9 is a 1-digit. Understood?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
And 10 is a 2-digit. So 10 is the first 2-digit number. That's why 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. Okay.
Yes.
Which is the largest 2-digit number now? 99.
9.
Because after the 99, which number will come?
100.
Yes,
100.
100. So 100 is the 3-digit. So which is the largest 2-digit?
99.
99. Understood? And
Yes.
smallest 2-digit 10. Because
Yes.
before the 10, 9 is there, and 9 is the 1-digit number. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So the 100 is smallest 3-digit. 100 is
Smallest
Smallest
digit.
3-digit.
3-digit number. And now tell me the largest 3-digit number.
999.
999.
Yes, very good, very good. 999.
9.
Because after the 999 is there is a
1000.
1000.
1000.
And the 1000 is the 4-digit number. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now tell me the 6-digit smallest number.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Yes, very good. 6-digit smallest number is
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
5.
6. You have to count digit also.
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5.
5, 6.
Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. This is the smallest 6-digit number.
Number.
What information is given? The smallest 6-digit number and largest 6-digit number. Now tell me the largest 6-digit number. Who will tell me largest
99
99
99 lakh
99?
9 largest
Write down 99
nine
6 times.
nine 999 lakh
99 lakh 99,999.
No, 9,99,990. Not 99 lakh. Okay, 9,99,999. Okay, understood? How to find out the smallest number and biggest number or largest number. Okay.
Okay.
Now here the what is given, the smallest 6-digit number and largest 6-digit numbers are given. Okay. So which method you have to use here? Sum. Sum means
Sum.
what?
Addition.
Addition.
Yes, sum means addition.
Addition.
Okay. So we have to add 0 plus 9,
9
0 plus 9,
9
9.
0 plus 9, again 9, 0 plus 9,
9 9 9
Nine.
9.
and after that at the last 1 plus
Last
9,
in 10.
10
10. Means what is the sum of smallest 6-digit number and largest 6-digit number? Who will read this?
10 lakh
Yes, very good. 10 lakh
99,999.
99,999.
Yes, very good. 10 lakh 99,999.
9.
This is our answer.
And
Understood
yes.
Yes.
how to solve the word problem? In this problem, we have learned that some word problems are different. The numbers are not given. In this problem, the numbers are not given. In the previous problem, we have seen that the numbers are given. The government gave the computer worth and the TV set worth. Here, the numbers are given. But in this problem, numbers are not given. Only the
Not
words are given. The smallest 6-digit number and largest 6-digit number. So we know that which is the smallest 6-digit and which is the largest 6-digit. Okay. With the help of this, we can solve the word problem. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
In the word problem, the information is given in a sentences and in number. With the help of that sentence or number, we have to solve it. Okay. Now, the next example is given. Now you have to tell me that what we have to do. What is given in a certain
In-
election?
Election.
Election.
Women gave their votes.
Yes, the votes given by women are
34,680.
34,680. And the votes,
Main cast.
yes,
Year
the votes given
35,000.
by men,
35,548.
yes. And what we have to find out?
How many votes were polled
were
altogether?
All together. Means when this type of words are come in the word problem, that time we have to all together means we have to add.
Add.
Okay. What is
Sum.
given? Women. The number of women. Okay. What is the number of women?
34,680.
680. And men, number of men?
35,548.
35,548.
48.
After that, what is the question? How many votes were polled all together?
Altogether.
For find out the all together, we have to
Addition.
Add.
do
Addition.
the addition. Understood?
Yes.
So after that, start the addition from unit place. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8.
8.
8.
is equal to
12.
12. Here you have to write 2, 1 carry over. 6 plus 5 is equal to
11.
7 plus 1
Of
carry over.
carry over
12.
is
Don't
12.
put here. 1 carry over. After that 4 plus 9, 4
10.
plus 5 is equal to
9
9.
and
9.
carry over 10.
Yes, very good. Write down 0 here and 1 carry over. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6.
6
plus
and 1
1 is
carry
equal to
over
7.
7.
means here we got the answer. Okay, here we got the answer.
Answer.
What information? They
7.
asked the total how many votes?
How many
Means total
votes?
votes all together, and that is 70,220.
228.
Okay, understood now how to
Yes.
solve the word problem.
yes.
Yes.
This is for your evaluation. Here also same thing. How to follow what is given. There are 1,560 storybooks. Okay,
Yes.
and 1,280 poetry books. Means two things are given. Okay,
Yes.
this is the first thing, and this is the second thing.
Second.
Second.
Storybook and poetry books are given, and the question is that question starts from here. How many
How
books
many books
are
are there in
library
the library altogether?
altogether? Altogether means we have to find out. We have to do addition.
Addition.
First of all,
Total.
write down storybook. Okay. After that, write down poetry books. What information is given that you have to write first.
1,560.
Yeah, very good.
1,280.
This information is given in the word problem. This all information is given. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
And we have to find out how many books are there in the library. Means we have to find out the total number of books. Okay. So which method
Yes.
you should use here?
Addition.
Addition.
Addition. 0 plus 0, 0.
0.
0.
6 plus 6, 14. Write down
14.
4
14.
here, 1 carry over. 5 plus 2, 7. 7
7.
plus 1 carry over.
8.
8.
And 1 plus 1.
2.
2.
So this is the answer. The total number of
2000.
books. Okay.
Yes.
Total number of books are
2,840.
840.
Very good. Understood now
Yes.
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 how to solve the word problem.
Yes.
First of all, you have to read the word problem 1 time, 2 times. Okay.
Yes.
And
Okay.
then you have to find out that what is given in the problem, and after that you have to find out what method should be used, addition or subtraction. Okay, so
Yes.
this is the homework for you. You can take the screenshot.
Yes, I taken screenshot. Hmm.
Here also you can see that the information is given. Amar
Amar
planted
planted 568
68
mangoes
mango
tree
trees
and
and 284
284
trees
shiklo
in his
trees
farm.
in
How many
Here,
his
here.
trees
farm. How many trees did
did
he
he
plant
plant
in
in
all?
all?
Just remember here one mistake is here, not shiklo. Here write down chiku. Okay.
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 Yes.
Chiklu, chiklu,
Chiku. Okay.
chikku.
Amar planted 568 mango tree and 284 chiku tree in the his
Farm.
Farm.
farm. Okay. So here you have to find out the total number of trees. So what you have to do?
Huh?
What you have to do here?
Addition.
Yes, you have to add the mango trees and chiku trees.
Chikku.
That time you will get the answer, the total number of trees. Understood now how to solve the word problem?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Thank you all of you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.